Titration is the process of slowly increasing a medicine or liquid. When starting cannabis oil, it is important to start at a low dose, slowly increase the dosage every few days, and stop increasing once you achieve alleviation of your symptoms. Ultimately, your optimal dose will depend on several factors, including how well your body metabolizes the product, but also the cannabinoid concentrations of the oil, THC or CBD, that you are taking. Some individuals have a more tolerant endocannabinoid system that responds only to high servings. Others will be more sensitive and react to low doses, or their reactions may vary with the time of day or month. There is also a biphasic response that can occur with CBD. A biphasic response is when CBD interacts with the endocannabinoid system in low amounts and increases concentration, alertness, and wakefulness. But when taken at higher levels, has the opposite effect, making you feel sleepy and calm instead of focused and full of energy. Each individual needs to self-titrate and find their own best serving amount. The rule is to start low and slow and be consistent when you begin taking CBD. Finding high-quality products that deliver consistent, measurable amounts of CBD will make it easier to titrate and find your optimal serving amount and create a CBD schedule. Whether it is a CBD oil, a THC oil, or a mixed oil, we always recommend starting low and going slow until symptom alleviation is achieved. Cannabidiol, or CBD, is a cannabis compound found in large amounts in the hemp plant. It can have significant medical benefits without any of the psychotropic effects of its cousin THC. If you want to take advantage of its beneficial properties, you will need to measure quantities to determine the right serving amount for you. You can use CBD if you are looking for relief from pain, anxiety, seizures, sleeplessness, and stress. Although not yet FDA approved in 2020, there is compelling clinical research as a potential treatment option for arthritis, diabetes, epilepsy, PTSD, antibiotic-resistant infections, depression, and chronic pain. It can also be taken as a daily supplement for overall health. Due to the complexity of the cannabis plant, we recommend the following when titrating your cannabis oil. Always start low and go slow. Titrate slower for products containing THC. Track and monitor your dosage, milligrams of THC and milligrams of CBD, onset, duration, and effects. Search for symptom relief with no adverse side effects. Here at CalmEffect, we make it our mission to educate and help people find the information they need about cannabis and medical marijuana in 2020 and beyond. We are now offering $99 medical marijuana doctor's appointments in some areas. Visit CalmEffect.com to learn more about how to get your card.